Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. I am going to show you how to check your NHIF status via SMS. What you need to do is you go to your messages application or your main menu and select messages. Select compose new message or start a conversation and enter the recipient as 21101. Then on the space for the message, type ID space followed by a national identification card number. Okay, then send the message. Before you send the message, you have to ascertain that you have a minimum of 10 shillings in your airtime, because this service costs 10 shillings. So send the message. You will receive a message showing your status. The report on your status contains your membership number, your name, your ID, and your outpatient facility, your last contribution when it was done, and your dependent details, their names and their outpatient facility. Thank you very much. I hope this is going to help you and save you time on checking your NHIF status. Goodbye.